Welcome back. This is part 2, I guess, or 3, I can't remember, of this river property build, and we have so much to do here, and we're just trying to move forward with this modular home that we're trying to get on this property. We have to test the bridge, so we also had to look at the well, which is what this video kind of covers. So hang in there and watch what we find out. What are you checking for? Continuity?
Checking for short to ground.
Short to ground. Okay. Hey, a retired professor. Mountain Man ingenuity.
I saw this on the video. I've never tried it.
As it turns out, they pick up everything, and when you're on a hill or a mountainside, it picks up everything: gullies, ditches, water lines, etc. So they're kind of useless. I'm not sure why he even resorted to this. It didn't make sense to me. In any event, I am having someone who works on plumbing and water lines for a living come out and look at this and give us a better idea of what we're dealing with and where these lines may be, and hopefully we will figure this all out and dig the water lines over and the electric over to the house where we can have it all in one spot. Please subscribe. It really helps. In fact, it doesn't really help if you just watch and then go on to the next video. You don't have to hit the bell for notifications unless you really want to see notifications and you want to know when I've published another video. But Google, who owns YouTube, doesn't care if you just watch it. In fact, I have thousands of views and not everybody subscribes. And it really helps me when you subscribe, so please do that. In fact, it allows me to continue to create this content. In fact, really makes me feel like it's useful. Thank you.